Hi, Joseph. This is Jon Lutz on Monday, the 6th of July, 2026 at 12:42 p.m. Mountain Time, 2:42 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm just going to show you how some stuff I did today, Monday, the 6th of July, 2026. If you want to create an account at this address, FAADroneZone-access.faa.gov/number / so I'll send an email with this address and everything to you. But if you want to create an account, just click here. Welcome to the FAA Drone Zone. Click here. I'm going to log into my account. So I'm going to go, I agree. Then I'm going to go launch drone, launch this thing right here. And then you're going to go manage device inventory, add device. You're going to go yes for does your drone broadcast FAA remote ID information, add device. Then you're going to do this one here. This is the one you want to do to register your drone, the Mavic 2 Pro that I'm going to mail you in today or tomorrow, Monday or Tuesday the 7th. 1581 F as in Frank, 163 C as in Charlie, G as in George, 99 R as in Robert, 0 A as in Adam, 19 Q as in Queen, N as in Nancy, 0. That's 1581 F as in Frank, 163 C as in Charlie, G as in George, 99 R as in Robert, 0 A as in Adam, 19 Q as in Queen, N as in Nancy, 0. Then you're going to do validate, and it's validated. It's going to be unmanned aircraft. It's going to say nickname. My nickname is Big Bird, DJI Mavic 2. So add device with that serial number in it. I'll send you that. Then I'm going to do yes, just close this right here. You got the add device. It's the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, 1581 F as in Frank, 163 C as in Charlie, G as in George, 99 R as in Robert, 0 A as in Adam, 190. Remote ID, yes. Unmanned aircraft, $5. Yeah, I'm not going to pay yet, but this is for the 107 part. So you just go here and check out, and then you're going to go next. You read all this stuff, acknowledgement of FAA requirements. Next. I have read, understand. Click on that one. And intend to follow the FAA requirements. Next. Then you're going to review all this, pay government review order. And then you're going to do pay. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to show you this. So hopefully that helps you. I'll be mailing that either today, Monday the 6th, or tomorrow morning, first thing, the 7th. Just had to get this thing fixed with the registration, the correct registration number, because you have to register to fly on your end too. So I wanted to give you that registration number. Thanks, Jon Lutz signing off. Have a good day. Bye.